Question number 24 of test series 7 is from Geotechnical Engineering, and in this question it is asked that what will be the quantity of water flowing from lake per meter cube per hour from clay layer of per meter square if K is given as 10 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter per second. Now in this case, this sand is at artesian pressure. Now had this artesian pipe that has been submerged into clay, then there would have been no flow, but now sand is at artesian pressure. In that case, delta H will be given by difference between bottom layer of clay and top layer of sand. So that comes out as 20 minus 10, that is 10 meter, and also we know that I is given by delta H upon L. So delta H upon L comes out as 10 upon 10, because length through which this seepage is taking place is through clay layer, and that is of 10 meter, and delta H, that is the head difference that is causing the flow, is 10 meter. So I comes out as 10 meter. Now we know that Q is given by K into I into A. K is given as 10 into 10 to the power minus 8. I comes out as 1. Unit area is asked, and answer is asked in meter cube per hour. So we have to change this meter per second into meter cube per hour just by multiplying it by 3600. So Q comes out as 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter cube per hour per meter square. Now if we talk about this I, this delta H is the head difference that is causing the flow, which is caused because of water head that is available in sand, and that is at artesian pressure, which is given as 10 meter. So this available head is 10, length through which is 10, so I comes out as 1. So Q comes out as 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter cube per hour per meter square. So correct answer for question number 24 is A.